The Jobs Finishing To tab is an exact replication of the Quotes Finishing To tab, so I've used the Quotes Finishing To video for this explanation. Finishing To tab is for costing per book finishing equipment. At the top of the screen is displayed the number of pages per book and the number of pages per section, or the number of sets. The Count All Printed Pages checkbox causes PrintQuote Pro to count all the pages in the print items of the job so they can be finished in a single finishing process. If, for example, you had a number of sections of books, say a 40-page book with a 20-page 2-colour section and a 20-page 4-colour section, then this checkbox will combine all of these together to calculate the finishing. In this case, we've got a 2-colour section and a 4-colour section, which adds up to 52 pages, and they're 2 pages per section. The Decollate per book checkbox notifies PrintQuote Pro to add the cost of decollating the book. This may be required if you are wiroplastic binding a book that has to be decollated prior to the finishing process. There are 6 different types of finishing equipment options for the per book items. The first drop-down menu. The finishing equipment drop-down menu is used for equipment that is quoted on both a per book and a per page basis. This is suitable for equipment similar to an Horizon Perfect binder or similar equipment. To view or modify an item, on the first drop-down menu, first select the item and then choose Modify Print Item. And then we'll see the details loaded for that particular item. To add a new item, simply choose Add Horizon Item, and then we can enter the values to create the item. To delete an item, first select it, then choose Delete Horizon Item, and you'll be given the option to delete the item. The second drop-down menu is for a piece of equipment that has 1 base rate, 2 make-readies, 2 per book rates. And the third drop-down menu is for a piece of equipment that has 1 base rate, 1 make-ready and 1 per book rate. The fourth item is for a piece of equipment that requires 1 base rate, 1 make-ready and 1 punching rate. The fifth drop-down menu is the same as the second drop-down menu and is for a piece of equipment that has 1 base rate, 2 make-readies and 2 per number of book rates. And the final one has a single base rate per book, 1 make-ready and 1 rate per number of books. And for all of these, finishing items can be added, modified and deleted, the same as they can in the PrintQuote Pro setup section of PrintQuote Pro. And again, for any more detailed information on how to deal with finishing items and finishing equipment, see the video PQP10 PrintQuote Pro Setup Finishing for more information.